Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem of failed searching on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve failed searching on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter, or you click on Snapchat app. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Then you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, you can just update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.